Some people don't they behave like say now they only pass. They do like say it's the time now. I don't know whether they know their left from their right. They don't know their tap root. They don't know their base. They don't know their branches. Because this guy is the most confused human being I don't see for this planet Earth right now on this social media space. D1 is the most confused person I've ever come to know. Today you go discredit VDM. Tomorrow, now they clap hand for my people. I say, make I call him when I was woman. I say, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If I don't tell what they tell me, just for. If not first time for this channel, just do something for like, subscribe, share. Put your comment in the comment section. I do it to hit the notification bell because, God. Some Madodo people, when they say, Ndiala, they go just come they talk with it, they don't know. Uche Madu Agu don't come the caprison anyhow. Just the keep anyhow. The caprison like VDM, like say VDM do this, VDM do that. The same way. Now senior man Asaredo Kubo don't come send message. Oh. When I know say most of them they talk say when you talk. When I know say see for if a child to enter place where we say people plenty, can't tell you say, oh yeah, give me this thing, he get back up. Oh. For everything we do what they do, he get back up. In as much as he get back up, some people dey we pass am. Now, when I notice say they don't tell VDM, talk about the northerners. If you need a fear, talk about the northerners. D1, if at all you are not an hypocrite, wetin go do you? You talk say you use Nedu podcast, Honest Bunch podcast platform, use am track or trap VDM make it fall. Now he come now, he still come out, come talk say, if they born you well, talk about imam, talk about any Muslim. If they don't roast you like bole. Now he still come out and come talk say, yes, and they talk about this guy so that he go change, he go balance the equation. Oh, you no get mouth, abi. Now you don't know say VDM and you no be mates. You and VDM no be mates. Make I tell you the truth. See this guy. After you don't try to bring this guy down, you can't carry things go say evidence yakpa everywhere, evidence full ground wey be say VDM go hear say yes, in times to come na police go carry am, this and that. He talk all the things we want talk finish. Na him come now come dey clap hand. My brothers and sisters, when I see say who God don bless, no man can curse, abi. VDM dey do im things on a coded way. E go just do one, they go come dey talk 10. Yes, in the ahead of una. Now, as I don't tell VDM say, they very careful. They careful with these people. Be say they go praise you now, because a tap can never run with both hot water and cold water at the same time. Even the one where they put heat water heater. If you no turn am, just on tap without plugging water heater, whether I go bring hot water at the same time, even dispenser, you go on one side, but D1 now merry-go-round, anything goes. So I tell you, don't talk now, say make very dark man, they very careful with this guy, because people will be saying they go praise you in the morning. For now you go know nothing go turn. They fit on with you or will they come out from forest, because they do my people, they not go understand. So senior man Asare Kubo, thank you very much. Oh. The message go reach very dark man. According to an insider, we tell us say Asare Kubo don't send message to VDM again, say make it dey very careful. In like the guy say in dey honest and in they do anything codedly and casually, that make nobody deceive and make nobody push and make him no go make me mistake. We don't make. When I say as I not achieving biba. So things when they see, things when they don't see for this country, people when they don't betray and people will be say he don't betray. He say he don't learn a lesson. He don't want to make VDM be victim of any circumstance of waiting he don't pass through. That is why he's bent on sending this message, say make VDM dey careful with D1. Because for this video, D1 come and come talk so now, and I go watch wetin he talk. He say make these people, how you go talk say you want make person learn, you want make person balance the equation, you want make person, you no get mouth. Now the same thing with this lolo of a lady they talk about. Today they go talk about say VDM they do overdo. When VDM do, they say he no one balance the equation, no one do this one. We wanna be say wanna be activists. Why wanna no go talk? We no get mouth to talk to. Now D1 come dey thank, come dey praise VDM, even clap himself. Omo, now they know say this guy na confirm Ewu Hausa. Now, na Ewu man, now this guy be true. The same person wey dey talk say, he dey do this, he dey do that, he dey do man, he dey do underage, he dey do this one, he dey do that one, he dey do that one. He dey lock Igbo head with am, make dem hate am. Now he still come and now come dey praise am. Make na say this guy he no get level. So my people, now the matter why I carry to come now, so because wetin sweet me pass before for this matter now be say, as Sari don talk and say, make VDM dey very careful. A word is enough for a wise. So for the wise, say wetin you see as a child. Do you know say VDM tall, he long, he get muscle, he do this one. Wetin him dey see as him dey waka all this waka so. Him and Sari Dokubo wey sit down for him palace. Wetin dey see and him dey hear. VDM no go fit hear am. But make it just dey careful with people like this. People dey come sing him praises in the morning. If for night they go they do hunting on his behalf. So my people, we won't relent. We'll keep on praying for VDM. Because this one now we come, the talk say, if na lie, make them pray from morning to night. If you don't bring development, that is why. If you see for, how can a state governor talk say because of Ramadan matter, make school close? This one about state governor. Now bring this kind of laws. That is why VDM is bent on saying, make una know they do this thing. That is why you will see a lot of Bontrowe they there, a lot of Alamajeris they there, a lot of people will be saying they be foot soldiers for all these banditry things. Now then they use because come no come. You tell us say, oh yeah, carry this thing, go do blah 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 blah. They go carry and go. So make VDM they very careful with people like D1. And as they don't enter now, so they talk about them. I know say a lot of people no go like her. A lot of people no go like her. We are where we are today because of waiting. We no talk. We no open mouth talk. But now we don't see person when they talk her. They don't like her. If they like, when they throw catapult of envy, like this one where they throw so no, it no concern me. I must still talk my talk because they want distract us from not talking. We want to talk the talk and walk the walk.
Congratulations to VDM and everybody that mounted pressure on this boy to speak about the ills and the things happening in the north. Now, he don't talk about the north. He has speak Kano now. Although, Natunde not tell us say, make him talk him. You know that? So they post him for some 1 or 2 blogs. But this is what we're talking about. Balance these things. Now, you don't go for China. You don't go China now. You have seen the way things work in China, the way their country, the way they think, the way the young people think over there. These are things that you should come and implement in Nigeria. Well done. Then stop calling Nigerian politicians. Stop it. Call the name or the names of Nigerian politicians, because you said it that you have spies in every government office in this country. So there is no need to not say Nigerian politicians, the politicians. No need. Use your platform to call their names. You know they fear now. So this is what we're talking about now. Your next 4 or 5 videos have to be about the north. Have to be about balancing things, so that it not look as if you have an agenda to destroy the Igbos. This is what we're talking about. Well done. Another thing that you need to address is underage girls, the things that they go through, molestation. It's very, very important, VDM, very important that you speak about it. That you open your mouth to speak about it. You've seen the way things work in China. Is it possible to sleep with an underage girl and not face the consequences because you're a popular person? It's not possible. So these are the things that this is the next line of action now. You will talk about that. Very good. My people, VDM listens. When we mount pressure, he listens. And I'm happy that this has, although he not get money to put on for a page yet, but it is the beginning of a new thing. I told you, he will be a better person. I told you people. I promised you. 2025, VDM will learn in an educated way. Everywhere good, my people. VDM, we are waiting for you. In the next 4 or 5 days, you talk about the things happening in the north and also address underage girls. We must hear it from your mouth. Yes, we must hear it from your mouth. Everywhere good, my people. They want here. Shalom.